Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be quick and all about how to increase your sales by marketing to people that have already bought products. This tip will be good for people who sell consumables or things that need to be bought over and over again. This will automatically send emails to remind them that they may be running out and it's time to purchase again, making it simple and quick for them to get to the product and purchase it. So let's dive right in. So instead of having the customer go through your shop again and trying to find the correct item, we can send them automatic emails to come back to the checkout page and buy the product quickly. And how we do that is a plugin to send them an automatic reminder or a buy again or automatic replenishment notification. It can be used by any one of those names. So if you have a plugin that does your marketing, go ahead and use that. If not, you can always try my plugin called Other WP Dynamic Shopping, and I'll show you how to set it up now. Now again, this can vary between plugins, but how mine works is that the timer is set by the product. So we got to go to a product, pick out a product. More than likely it should be a consumable product. And in the product data, there's a tab called Buy Again Timer. You're going to hit enable, and then you're going to pick how many days you'd like, or it starts sending them a reminder. Now, what makes this great is that depending on what kind of product you sell, you could have products that you don't need to remind them at all. Or if you have a certain amount of days set per product and they all vary, you can set it up independently rather than sending one random message every 30 days. It just makes it more personable and better for your customer experience. And now you're going to want to update it. All right, now that that's set, we need to go over here to the left, Woo Otter WP. And the next thing you're going to want to do is create an email template. Now you can use our default one by just activating it and going, or you can create a new one. The first thing you're going to do is name your template. We'll name it Buy Again Sample 2. And then you're going to want to come up with a subject. I will just say your favorite item, your favorites are waning. And then we're going to pick what it's enabled for, buy again. We'll activate it. And now we can create the body of the email. And you can say, hi. And you can use a tag here. You're going to want to use customers first. And last name, sound personal. And now we're going to write more in the body. I'm just going to copy some over off page. And drop it in. Now we can put other tables in here after this. We could put our related items table. This will pull any related item that they have not purchased or put in a wish list or is in an abandoned cart. This will only show new items that are related. If not related, then it will be any random item. So you can add a little cross-selling in here, and in between here we can add a products table. And then at the bottom of the products table, we can say buy now. Let's go ahead and get the checkout URL. This will give them a URL that will take them right to the checkout page with that item waiting there for them to buy quick and easy. So now if they click this button, it will take them right to a checkout page with a specific item that's the buy again. As well as you're going to be able to cross-sell to them as well. I love using the Woocommerce styling so all your emails match throughout. And we're going to want to pick 2 days because we already have one for 1 day that we give a sample of. You can create a coupon. You do percentage, fixed discount, expiration date, everything, free shipping, individual use. So you got a whole bunch of options to entice them to buy again. So let's hit update. Now that it's saved, let's go back to the table. And now you can see, oh, We have 2 hours. We're going to want to change that. 2 days update. And now you, after the 1 day of so after 11 days, they'll get this email. And then after 12 days, they'll get that email. So as you see, it's simple to set up. If you want to stop sending a certain message, you can just deactivate it or activate it from here. So managing it is a breeze. And then the reporting. So if someone complains to you and you need to search them by email, click buy again, search by email, set a time period. It just gives you a peace of mind that this is always running in the background and you don't have to worry about it after you set it up. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you next one. Bye.